The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, big up. Now, I saw pieces of videos posted on social media that shows a female, and in those pieces of videos, the female talked about a person who she said killed her daughter and her grandchild. So I did some research to see if I could get some confirmed informations about the things that the female said in those pieces of videos, and I found a news article that gives its version of the incident that the female talked about in those pieces of videos that I saw on social media. Now, I am going to explain to you in my words according to the things that I read in that news article that I saw. And I'm going to present to you pictures that are from that news article that I saw, viewers and subscribers. All right? So please bear in mind that the things that I am saying, I am not confirming anything to be the truth, but I'm just giving you my understanding of the things that I read in the news article that I saw. All right? Now, according to how I understand some things that I read in a news article that I saw, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that on the 9th of September, the year 2021, Orange County deputies from within the United States of America found a mother and her infant child dead in a motor vehicle in an Oak Ridge parking lot that is located somewhere within the United States of America. The mother who died goes by the last name of Malcolm, and it is believed that the bodies of the mother and child sat in the motor vehicle for probably a couple of days after a shooting incident that happened on the 7th of September, the year 2021, that involves Malcolm's boyfriend and a friend who was staying with them. It is said that Malcolm was shot to death in the motor vehicle, and it is said that the infant is 1 year old, and it is believed that the child died next to her mother from extreme heat. It is said that detectives are searching for the 21-year-old man who goes by the name of Dujan Griffiths, who was staying with the family at their house. And according to some more things that I read in the news article, it is said that Malcolm's boyfriend, who has been in and out of consciousness at a hospital, told police that he could not find Malcolm and his daughter after the shooting incident. It is said that Malcolm's boyfriend told investigators that he was driving with Malcolm and the baby when Griffiths, who sat in the back seat of the motor vehicle, opened fire after an argument. It is said that Malcolm's boyfriend thought Malcolm was also shot, and Griffiths drove off with her and his child in the motor vehicle. I also saw pictures in parts of the news article, viewers and subscribers, and I got the understanding that those pictures are pictures that have been posted on social media on a platform that is known as Twitter by law enforcers within United States of America. And those pictures shows the suspect and victims of the shooting incident. Viewers and subscribers, I only hope so that these informations might give you an understanding about the whole situation. And again, remember now, these informations are according to some things that I read in a news article. Alright? I'm not confirming these things to be the truth, but I'm just letting you know about this news article. Alright? You can also let me know what you think about the whole situation. You see it? Now, big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?